So over here you can see that I have this particular page, and then this is in a windowed mode. So over here on the top you can see all of the tools right here for web-based browsing. But let's say what I want to do is I want to access this page in a full screen. In that case, I can go around, click on the three dot button, and if I were to click on this button right here, then I simply enter out full screen right here, just like this. So now you can see that the web page is full screen over here, and I can move it wherever I want right here. And if I were to go around and navigate over here, then what happens is that it simply navigates on this particular screen right here. So all I see is the web page. If I were to press F11 on my keyboard, then I get back to the regular view right here, just like this. And I can go around and press F11 over here, just like this as well, to navigate back and forth. So over here you can see that there's zoom options over here, just like that. And besides that, there is full screen. And that is how you can go into full screen and come out of full screen inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.